The Night Show.
Go be maza say you have a moto. Homie, you're not feeling this, you be go to. Sina Manuel and Muna Auto. Champagne the band Kunanda, that's my motto. Lights, camera, action. My chick says, wanna do it like me? Zaka Shawia. Masama Gana Sikachi Anguluya Kuma Yidans and it's Kamia. So, classic on your telly, and I wish one day I go with that Kelly. Kunga when she go and bouncing. Soon as a classic, could you announce it? Do in the nugget in that Okana? Tokodoki. Do in the nugget in that Okana?
Thank you, DJ Easy. You know, welcome back on Sunday Night Show. For today will be January 20, 2014. That fine song, that beautiful.
You just know you rap inside that song. I hear your voice. Talk true.
When I hear that outside rap, hear that outside rap.
It enter your body. Nerula is yours now.
You see, the flesh and blood will not reveal this to you. It's only the spirit that can reveal this to you. Anyway, that song, now the song of classic. You know, the one that Fino did there, or Lami did there when we say they rap, or Lami they rap with Yoruba. Fino they rap with Igbo. But this guy, a classic in style of rapping. He bust my medulla oblongata.
He bust. I
beg you to follow me, clap for classic.
Yes, so
welcome.
Thank you very much. First of all, I'm a big fan of this show, and I'm happy to be here. You know what it is.
Yeah. What did you carry come?
That's what you be.
You be police?
Love. Love. So yeah.
Classic, welcome.
So, yeah, thank you very much.
How you did?
I did.
How is the ministry?
We thank the Lord. You know.
Anyway, before we continue, make we not talk too much. We go play one video of classic. Make we not watch the song. That's not Dunia.
Exactly.
Dunia, that's the name of that song. When we come back, we will continue it so that we now go understand the gist we want to enter on top of the next show. For today, we'll be January 20, 2015.
Dunia na kel. It's a lady of soul.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Classic, just in case. Dunia. So you can't tell me nothing, only God has got the power. Bambanchi, champagne, the bando kunandawa. This is the story of a bright kid, Dang Arewa. Classic Dangaring Abubakar Tafabalewa. Crazy with the flow, na Farazarewa. I could spit this forever by Arewa, man. Don't piss me off. Pazari, inakake, lokacin da muke jika gari ga kari. Nigga kafuwa, labari, swagga ka inawari. I'm a general Buhari, all hail the king. Serki can never go wrong. I got Ruhume Serki. Now this is for my peoples everywhere. London Gariki, hip hop. Allah is so umbariki. Yeah, I do this for my peoples. Get it how you can. All fingers ain't equal. G.S. a military, now the same people look and they envy my career. Yeah, I used to rap in every bus stop, but now for a verse, all my voice be getting boxed up. Classic. Okay, yeah. Ya Ubangiji karaba da sata, yan uwa da abokan arziki kar mu bata, mu kaunici juna a babu ko cikin wadata, and we about to take over the scene ya kamata. Now speaking off the top of my head, ba littafi, babu tsafi, mun yi an mana tafi, kai yasa, asani ko a fasa, mu ci mu yi yatsa, each rapper's like Gurasa, yeah. Fire man, anytime I hit the studio, I don't really care if they play this record on radio. You already know I'm a legend already, yo. Fly like I'm Birdman, classic still no baby. Melt, swore, yaki, I'm a soldier, khaki, a lion, psyche, bana, psyche, can't stop, Nike, kabana, jacket. Classic ya posoku zoku ga abumamaki. Yeah, I do this for my peoples. Get it how you can, all fingers ain't equal. G.S. a military, now the same people look and they envy my career. Yeah, I used to rap in every bus stop, but now for a verse, all my voice be getting boxed up. Classic. Yeah, I do this for my peoples. Get it how you can, all fingers ain't equal. G.S. a military, now the same people look and they envy my career. Yeah, I used to rap in every bus stop, but now for a verse, all my voice be getting boxed up. Classic. Yeah.
Well, welcome back on Top of the Night Show. Done a beautiful, beautiful video from Classic. In fact, the Hausa rapper, when he be say, I'm not sure say anybody they rap. Well, we get Hausa rappers, we get people they rap with Hausa, but I'm not sure say anybody. Is it between for into music?
Yeah. I don't think say anybody don't take on this extreme. Because I don't hear some couple of a song. You get some bad hook where they feel. They feel and well.
The way those girls take the feel you.
They don't do now.
The way those girls take the feel you, now they feel for you. Anyway, Classic, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Tell us how the whole music waka take starts for you.
Baba no be small to As you know, you heard it from our music. It started from the north, actually. And
now English, you not be heard it.
Yes,
I hear speak in pidgin.
Switch.
That's what this English.
Switch. You understand? Now for north we take start. You understand that kind of thing.
Where exactly?
Kano to be precise.
Okay,
Kano. Yeah, me I be from Bauchi State. Okay. But I grew up in Kano and Jos. You know that kind of thing. And sometimes make I talk true. You are nothing if nobody believe in you for this life. You get to tell they talk. So Finesse Entertainment, that's the label where they sign on to.
Okay.
They can't hear me, they can't hear my music. They were like, we like this boy, he get talent, at least he get something where no be everybody gets that kind of thing. So they were like, have fun now, see, make we sign you. And that time I just finished school. That's
secondary school?
No, university.
University.
University Kano. I'm a graduate of computer science.
So now you do this Yahoo 419
for music side.
Your partner they begin you not say they do music.
I no be small team. My papa na professor, so make it. So you go, as they go, that kind of thing now.
No talk.
So no dolly. Now why I dey on my toes like 24 hours, making sure say the hustle guys there right.
So your papa go say, he go speak English.
Say, okay, now what you want to do with your life?
You see the fear your papa. You know that kind of thing. You know the fear papa again.
I respect my papa because
you be better picking.
At the end of the day, my papa know they make decision without my mama.
Okay.
So two of them be like one, that kind of thing. So when I wanted to start this music thing, I went to them and I was like, Papa, Mama, I beg, see what I really want to do. I don't graduate as soon as I want to make I graduate. But this is not my passion.
Okay.
And I feel say I'm good for waiting I do.
Okay.
So I beg, maybe when give me opportunity, make I go show it in, you know. So that was how, I got signed by Finesse Entertainment and they take carry me come.
Wow, I never knew we get outside version of Fino and the classic. You are doing great and your rhymes are on point.
Thank you very much.
The Relicious, it doesn't like, hey, is it bitch, you don't die. The Relicious don't leave you now. Wait, now. The classic, you don't go.
Continue. That kind of thing. So now they take movers from Kano to Lagos.
Okay.
Say, now here the market they say man no gas day one place. You understand? So we had to, come down here and we had to start doing stuff. That kind of thing now.
Okay.
So and ever since it's been great. It's been great. And I'm on the night show.
Okay.
It's been
since
great. So
since when you done the Lagos? For how long you done the Lagos?
This is not like my getting to the second year, Sha.
Okay, as in like second year. Now from Kano they sign you, Abi you come Lagos where they sign you.
Now Kano they sign me. So say every record label they get plan. So according to the plan, as they sign me, can't say like after like 4 months they were like according to the plan now to move come Lagos.
Okay, you can't enter night bus come from Lagos.
As
maybe you don't enter night bus.
ABC
night bus now. If I me talk you told the story, you did it.
ABC to be precise.
Didn't I talk it?
We started from the bottom.
And now we are here.
You understand?
Starting from the bottom, now we are here.
You never can tell.
Anyway, our phone numbers will show on top of your TV now. In case you want to call or make you follow Classic TikTok on top the night show. Our phone numbers on top of your TV. And then our Twitter handle at W Night Show if you follow Classic Talk. Now back to the matter. Classic now.
Yes, sir.
You get some of your songs right here. If you see the songs where this guy don't do, blood of God. He get one down over shaking. I bet. Do one verse for another over shaking.
Some people will find this, some other way back good do according to based on a special request with this, Kana wasada wae damboro over shege. Why your shamaka wae damboro over shege muna duka suna hawaye emboro over shege ai that correct guy names who has a Dumboro over Shege.
Dumboro. He has the song they go. I don't understand about. I don't say the kind of thing when this name.
You don't understand it. If you understand Hausa,
you know that kind of thing.
If you understand Hausa, you go to hear the punchlines. When would they rap? That time why they rap? I was a rapist. I was a rapist. I didn't be a non-stop rap.
Wait your rap name that time.
I don't forget.
How you not go forget?
2D crew.
Yeah. Oh, now before you come here
before I've been shot the name. Before now 2D crew has entered the stage, then be my full name. So they can't say before when they want to come in, give it up. For 2D crew has entered the stage. The name not they enter one full poster. So they go just straight 2D crew. You understand? So now I can say, okay, no problem. Can't say was any 2D crew.
You know what
that time I'm a rapist.
So what's it going to stop the rapists now?
I know, you see, that time why they rap, Idris Abdul Karim, all of them they rap. I say if I they rap, I'm not going to give market for these people. Make I just leave them.
Can't give them space.
Make I just drop rap. Make I rap for you. I can't jam you that time. Now one show where I want to perform for that time when I they rap. I'm a rapper.
No.
I'm funny enough.
I'm a rapper.
You're a rapist.
Now, so from first time, good evening. Funny enough again.
I say funny enough, they speak us. So imagine saying no, he never stopped to the rap till now. Imagine saying no, they rap for us now. People like us for no get space, you know.
You see,
I
just think I've been saying, okay, somebody if he come outside one day,
make a smart, you know. You understand?
If you notice what they do before, and they do makeup, and they. Continue, Jack.
It's a long story. So you know,
how many songs you get now? How many songs you get now?
Them plenty. Like my first single was Summer. Now like dance track.
Summer.
Now you write your song.
Now me they write my song. Go. You know that kind of thing.
We get Summer video. We get Summer video.
I know she'll see and get them because it's been from a long time ago. Because we are like rebranding now. You know that kind of thing. You know. So basically that was like my first single where people know me as I take Enter Lagos. You know. So I can't work on mixtape. Based on the circuit mixtape. And the idea,
you know, go school for business. The way your head they work.
So now God now, you know, God they give person things, you understand? You know, computer science.
No, so from first act. Sorry, not so from first act.
No, so what did they do? You
no, so go buy the charge card now. Okay, if you don't have money, send the takes. Oh, don't worry.
You know,
continue.
That guy thing. You know, say for even for computer science, they teach you business. You know, it's not okay for you to just make you just get the knowledge. You guys know how to sell yourself.
No, you don't be signed for finesse entertainment for like going close to 2 years now. Because I'm not gonna tell you, not be everybody knows you.
Exactly.
If not be say. Now this Summer, I know the Summer song. I don't see the video. In fact, I don't know the song. Now the video, now I take know the song.
Yes,
now if not be say I see you that day, hear the song. I'm like, who be this guy? I don't know you.
That kind of thing.
Why you not there outside there? People don't know you. You know you don't understand. Why?
The truth be say, make a narrate this story as it be. You know, say initially, man they get in plan. And God they get in plan. You know that kind of thing. So when I dropped Summer, it was everywhere. People liked it, you know, that kind of thing. But it gets some, according to how the industry they work, it gets some kind of things where you're supposed to do, where your song make it there everywhere. I didn't have that follow up. Honestly. I didn't have that follow up because people knew the song, they saw the video, but they didn't really know.
They don't know the person.
You know? So now why I guess go back, sit down. Since I don't miss that chance.
Very well.
You know that kind of thing. Since I don't miss that chance, this might be a blessing in disguise. Excuse me. What I fit do, we be say, as this thing don't happen, what I fit do to rearrange myself because in life, one thing is sure, no ever give up on your dreams. I believe say I did talented and I go day too poor to go back house, say, okay, I don't give up, you know, that kind of thing. So I been sit down, look the industry, and I check out. I was like, what thing they miss for this industry? And me, I come from the north, and I don't stay Lagos reach this time, so I don't understand the business to a certain level, you know, that kind of thing. What thing I feel do? Because the industry is all about difference. Now, if you different, 9 people go
when nobody.
Make I give you an example. This cap where they wear, if 100 people they wear the same color of cap now, we stand 100 of us, we did the same.
Sorry to cut you. Dele from Zaria, good evening. Hey, what did happen to our lines today? Everybody say they call. Before you continue, just Michael Nwakwe, just Mike. He say, classic. You are great. Any collabo yet? Or who do you wish to collabo with?
Yes, so as this mixtape don't drop, it dey buzz well. Like people, like even in Lagos, when I go to perform in places, are they surprised? You get plenty people within Lagos. We don't grow up from north, you know that kind of thing. So they understand waiting at the talk. So the applause where they get, they mad. You get that kind of thing. So coming to his question, there's always a next level because I don't get that recognition where I've been lacked before. Okay, you know. Okay. So coming to this level now, I'm collaborating. The mixtape don't come out. Okay, 16 tracks, you know, that kind of thing. And I have Jesse Jackson on the mixtape. I have Ruby on the mixtape. I have K-Large. I have Confessor on the mixtape. A lot of people. Avala, everybody there. So, but you know, say everything is step by step. As I don't drop the mixtape now, the album is coming, and I don't work with plenty stars where they don't see say.
Sorry to cut you. Okay, continue.
Yes, so you know that kind of thing. I don't work with people where I don't respect. Where we say when coming up, there were people I respected. You know that kind of thing. I don't work with them based on the buzz where they not now, based on waiting I don't drop, and even Lagos. It's crazy. You know that kind of thing. And everybody want to enter that market, and it's very, very important. So I'm working on the album. You know the album now seniority. So I'm working on that album, and everybody is on it because shout out to people like MI that have been supporting me. Ice Prince, them plenty, Terry G.
Fino, you know they think of doing collabo with Fino because
I think I'm
because if you actually I they say I'm saying Fino, Olamide, and you,
that kind of thing. That kind of thing.
Scatter go everywhere, you know. That's like even not be all of them at the same time. If it is okay, Olamide,
one person at the same, one person at the same time.
Because kind of thing. If you do Fino and you and Fino, at least you're gonna say you get North Market and you get Lagos Market, you still get East Market. Fino, you go even give Fino more mouth. For North,
yes,
you call it Olamide at least. Reason that one.
That kind of thing. It is part of my list, you know. Now, we take easy. You know,
so if you look your 2 years now for inside Lagos, you don't progress since when you come from North.
I don't progress. So I don't progress because
money-wise and everything else.
Everything wise. We thank the Lord. You know that kind of thing.
Okay, now as Katim ask you whether you don't progress or not, make I ask you this question. If they get time when you be say you go day, you go say I know. I for just face my computer science. You don't ever get that kind of time.
Make I no lie, you understand? Based on waiting I tell you say my papa be and my mama too. My mom is a nurse too. You know that kind of thing. So there are people that are enlightened, you know that kind of thing. So they don't believe in waiting that they really do. Come to think of now, at least they don't see the light based on waiting. Don't they happen? You understand? Make I no lie, you know easy. Okay. Sometimes I sit down for my room and they think I personally I cry sometimes. I don't waiting.
You miss you are calling or you make mistake.
I miss road. You know that kind of thing. But then at the end of the day. I just had a meeting. With somebody like just 2 days back. Make I no mention the person's name, and the person tell me something. He tell me a story. He say, "See, if you want to be something for your life, get ready to go through a lot." And I think sometimes you have one picture where they always do my phone. If I look at now, one guy in whole ask. Now the last strike when you be one strike, make you finish everything, just turn they go.
Sure.
Waiting that to me never.
And in the hammer,
in the hammer they come. In on the hammer they come. On the hammer, just small make it.
Meanwhile, person go come hit that one.
Come hit that one, you know. So sometimes at the end of the day, if you want to be great for your life.
Zainab from Abuja. Sorry, we'll take Zainab from Abuja. Zainab from Abuja, good evening.
Not true.
Our phone call. I don't know what's in the door our phone today.
Nah, the face, say the face for ECB. You know what all these women do, they call them.
Anyway, classic go say come back on some of the show because time not today.
That your summer video and them
we don't get summer video. We'll get summer video.
That thing, I want to see that thing where they make the all in body they carry anyhow.
I'll give you the CD. But anyway, classic go say come. I guess classic will come back on top of the show. Classic, nice one. Thank you very much. For those who want to follow you on top Twitter and Instagram.
Let me start from Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook. Just CLASSIQ space
CLASSIQ.
The hell CLASSIQ space Booba. Follow me. Just, you know, send me a friend request.
Classic Booba.
The classic Booba, that kind of thing. Then Twitter, just classic underscore. That's classic.
Underscore.
At classic underscore.
Instagram,
follow me. Instagram, just classic. CLASSIQ. Now leave me there.
Okay, you they follow back when they follow you for Twitter?
Straight up.
Are you following Jesus as well?
You know what it is. I know they play with my fans. I know they play with my songs.
Anyway, Classic will come back for the studio to make full discuss on top the level of music when they do. For those of you we never, some of you don't see this song. Make you watch the video of Summer as Classic will come up from inside studio.
When we come back on Top the Night Show,
yes, so
that person with the Rucos mode.
This guy, he get one. This guy won't come back. This guy where they come now. This guy, the way the guy take busy rich. God, the people postpone rapture because of that. Make you watch the video of Summer when they come back on Top the Night Show.